welcome to Alpha One. So a little have happened since yesterday. We have now closed another buy trade in profit. So you can see we made another $28 today. So current profit is now at $88. If you want to copy me and you don't have a Forex broker from before, use the one you see up there right now. You're helping me tremendously by using the Forex broker I'm using. Or if you are from the United States and you can't use this Forex broker, you find another link below the video. Basically, what I'm making from you is a half of this commission you see there. So it's basically pennies, but still, it's some pennies that come in every single day, adds up in the long run, and make it more fun for me to share these things for you. So, now I'll explain a little more what have happened. So, I was a little late to put in a pending buy position here. I should have had a pending buy here, but at least I have put one now. So this one, this green bar you see here, would have been running in profit already, and I would have a take profit up here. We do have now a new sell limit order up here. The plan with the sell limit orders is basically that I will close them all. If, for example, he go up here now, touch this one, get reacted, something like this, and it come down to this region here, I will close everything about sell orders automatically. Will be maybe a small loss, but we take that. So that's basically the plans. And then, of course, after I will put a new sell pending order down here to target a take profit here. So that's basically how my hedging strategy works. You can also do this, by the way. Everything I do here, I share in Telegram. Let me show you. There. This is my Telegram channel. It's completely for free to follow. You find the link below the video and you can join this completely for free. I share everything. I update, lately now I actually made an update video every single day. I might not do that, but at least everything I do, like you see here right now, I did make an update just right now, where I show you what I have done, the updates, the profit, where I did put my pending orders, what the close and everything will come here. So you have the possibility to copy exactly what I'm doing. And you can get alerts directly to your cell phone, so everything I do, you never will lose one trade about what I do, okay? So, join me here if you want to, complete for free, and I hope I see a lot of you here. And also another thing, I do, like you see the video up there now, I do post my YouTube videos, okay? You help me tremendously just by seeing the video, put a like on the video, comment on the video. This makes my YouTube channel grow. This makes this Telegram channel grow. And all this make it more fun for me. And I will do this in the long run for you. And I will really use my time to make the best for you all so you can make money together with me. So if you help me, I'll help you. Okay? Sounds good for you? So I see you there. Have a perfect day.